Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Plant Lifestyles. Subscribe. Today I have a special preparation. I always promise that in the next video I'll do a physical preparation, the step by step. Today I'm going to prepare a step by step preparation of a spiritual soap to attract favor and to drag away any negative energy. We are going through the steps to that is prepare. I'm going to prepare it with you, the ingredients needed and then how you will prepare them. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Subscribe to the channel. I told you the channel is now growing, so wherever we are teaching, there will be a subsequent videos that will be explaining what we are teaching. So if you don't subscribe, you won't get the explanation the next time I upload the video. So the subscription is there for those, or to benefit those who are ready to receive the subsequent or the next explanation to the old videos. Yes, or to get more understanding about what I taught. So subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to the next step of preparation. Yes. So this is the leaf we are going to use. The first leaf is that is the leaf of life. We are going to use the leaf of life to prepare our soap. Yes, we are going to use the leaf of life to prepare our soap. So I'm picking 3 leaves. 3 leaves. And then the second leaf is the castor seed. That is the castor plant leaf. Yes, we are going to use the castor leaf. Yes, we are going to use the castor leaf. So as I told you that the castor, you need the red castor. You can see the stick is red, and then this is the leaf we are going to use. So from now, we are moving on to the next step. So we are using the castor leaf and the leaf of life, popularly known as Tamiewu. So these are what we are going to use for our preparation. Yes. So let's move to the preparation of this, how we are going to use to prepare our spiritual soup. Yes. Okay. So basically these are the ingredients you need. You need that is the castor leaf. The castor leaf, it depends on the quantity of the soup. I'm going to use a small portion of the soup, so I'm going to use only 1. Yes, but the leaf of life, I'm going to use 3. I'm going to prepare our soup. I'm going to use 3, and then 6 flowers oil. I'm going to add 6 flowers oil to the preparation. So this is how we are going to start. To get your soap, I have a black soap here. If you are everywhere in the world, you want black soap, African black soap, I can ship it to you. So let him get I'm going to use only 1. I'll use this for next videos. I'm going to prepare how to attract customers to your business. I'm also going to prepare how to get a lot of attention when you go closer to people, and like I'm going to prepare another video. That's why I bought 4. So the first video, I'm going to use this one for the first video. So that's why I'm telling you to subscribe to the channel, because if you don't subscribe, you're missing a lot of things. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my mortar and then pestle to pound. Yes, so I'm going to pound this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my leaf. I'm going to pound my leaves. So you'll be pounding your leaves till it is too fine to add the soup. These 2 leaves are very powerful to eliminate negative energy, bring power, and this will make you so nice in the spiritual realm, because you will not be attracting negative energy. the negative energies that brings shame, that bring bad luck, that bring a lot of things will vanish, and then now you are good to go. You are also part of those who are lucky and will be attracted to people because you are now using a substance that drags away bad luck and also eliminates a lot of bad spirits. Yes, that's why I told you to subscribe to the channel. So once you subscribe to the channel, any hint I upload on this channel, you are going to get it. So once you pound your leaves and they are okay like this, once I finish this, I'm going to use it myself. I have a lot of them, but when I'm done, I can't throw it away. I'm going to use it myself, and I'm going to use to bath today. Yes. So you just add some drops of this oil. This oil is very powerful, spiritually powerful, and also it adds some perfume, some scent. It's very nice scent. It is going to add it to the soap so that our soap will be so fragrance and all those stuff. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some to it. So I'll add some drops to it. So once I add a drop or some drops, this is what I'm going to do. Yeah. So I make sure I mix it well. Yeah, it smells good. So once I'm done, I'm going to add my soap to it. That's what I'm going to do. Add my soap, and then I'm going to pound this together. I'm going to mix it by pounding it together. Yeah, I'm going to mix it by pounding it together. The leaf is so much for the soup. The soup is very small. Let's add another soup. Adding another soup. So that I can use it for a long time. So you pound it like that. Yes. To mix with the soup, with the leaf, with the 6 flowers. This is, subscribe to the channel. Naturally, you can protect yourself without paying a lot of money to spiritualists and then fake pastors. Yes, subscribe to the channel. You are going to be free. You are going to be okay. Yes, in fact, you are going to be okay. I'm teaching you free, for free. And all what I'm teaching is natural, with natural ingredients. So as you can see, I have my soap now. This soap, I'm going to leave it in the sun. I'll use it to bath today, but I'm going to leave it in the sun for it to dry. Yes, now I have my soap. Green soap, powerful, very powerful. I'm going to make it dry, harden, and then now I can use it to do a lot of things. As you can see, it's very attractive. Nice soap. Yeah, very nice soap. Yes. So let me go and dry it in the sun. If you are drying it, you are going to put it on a leaf to dry it, not just on any plate or anything or that sort. You are going to put it on another leaf. So you are going to use the castor leaf. Yes. So you are going to use the next castor leaf. You are going to put it on it and then put it in the sun for it to dry. So let's move to where you are going to dry our soap. Okay, so I'm coming to dry my soap on this rock, on this stone. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to place, that is the castor leaf on the, that is on the stone, and then put my soap on. So my soap is in the sun. I'm drying it. So once it dries, I'll come and pick it and I can start using it to bath. Yes, though I can use to bath, but you see it is very soft. The sponge will take a lot of the soap and it will be wasted. It will be easily wasted. When it touches water, it will melt easily. But once it hardens, Yeah, powerful. It can withstand a lot of water, and it will be very powerful to even add it to your sponge and then bath. The sun itself is a natural energy. That is the source of all energy on this earth. So attracting the sun rays, attracting the sun power is also another energy. It is being absorbed in this soap to do a lot of things in your life. This is not magic, it is natural, it is real. It works to follow the channel for a lot of things. Well, so we are drying our soap.